Good day everyone. Today we're gonna examine the example of cultural appropriation.
And we also suggest ways to show the cultural appreciation.
On this screen.
The natural beauty that was once this country. And some people don't. People start pollution. People can stop it.
Let's talk about the 1970s commercial called The Crying Indian. This ad show a Native American man shedding a tear while looking at pollution. At first glare, it seemed powerful, but it is actually an example of cultural appreciation. Let's talk about the 1917's commercial called Crying Indian. This ad show a Native American man shedding a tear while looking at pollution. At first glare, it seemed powerful, but it is actually an example of cultural appropriation.
It also reinforced harmful stereotypes. The ad portrayed Native people as silent symbols of sadness instead of showing them as leaders who were still and were fighting for the environment. These native borrowed native culture for emotional effect but ignored indigenous struggles and perspectives.
So, how could this ad be improved to show cultural appreciation? Hmm, First, we should have a cast a real native actor and work with indigenous community. To shape the message, also instead of stereotypes, it could have highlighted authentic native tradition of protecting the land. At last, it should have shown indigenous peoples speaking for themselves and sharing their real voice and leadership.